Are you on a budget but still want to show love to your friends and family on Valentine's Day? I got you. Welcome to my channel. If you've seen me before, welcome back. Today this is not from Madrag. I just have the bag there, but that's not what Today I'm using dollar store items to show my family and friends that, well, no, just my mom and my kids, that I love them. Because God knows, I thought by now I was gonna be balling, but pandemic. Definitely that is not the case, huh? So I bought a couple of things. I ruined my mom's surprise because she's right here watching it. So sorry, Mom, you still can't get it until the 14th. By the way, like my makeup, I was going for something subtle. There you go. This is a lot of mess. Let's start with the packaging. Last year I did a lot of boxes because I thought that they were super cute and they are more expensive. So this year I decided to get a pack of bags. They are cute, they are Valentine's, and they are 3 for $1.25. Because of course, you know, Dollar Tree is no longer. So this year, oh, this doesn't count, these are my new lashes. Oops. So this year I started with this. Contrary to my other videos, I am not going to, well, I'm going to list what I put in these bags, but I want to encourage you guys to think of it for yourself. This is not a one-way street. This is not a one-size-fits-all. This is what I thought that each person would like, and I want you guys to do the same. I got these bags. First, I'm gonna choose who's gonna get which bag. I think I'm gonna give this one to my mom because she can read. I mean, my stepson can read too. And I'm gonna choose this one for my stepson and this one for my daughter. So let's begin. I wanted to start with something for each person to read. Just to read an activity that had to do with paper. I thought that that would be good and educational. So I got this little book for my baby. See, it's plastic, so that way it doesn't get all messed up. And I got some puzzles for my mom. And I got this book for my baby. All of these things I found in the Dollar Tree so far. Well, except for this one. This one I found in Target, in the dollar section, because you know how I do. And for my son, I got this little like puzzles book. I just want to keep their minds nice and stimulating. So I got this for my mom, and I got these stickers for my son. They have Batman. He loves Batman, Spider-Man, anything with superheroes, so that's always a win. I got these Whack-A-Pack balloons that I thought these were a hit last year, so why not do it this year? And this whole pack is $1.25. And oh, I got these scratch I got scratch tickets. I thought those were cute. Oh wait, what? Oh, so I get to write my own message. I didn't know. I thought they had a message inside. But this is good because it gets me to be more creative, and I love being creative. I got a little car for my daughter. I know this is like more for boys, but I want to do some activities, you know, where the car is going downhill and stuff like that. And Hot Wheels are expensive. Like, they're like $10. Oh, got money like that? Dollar Tree. Little plushies, of course. Can't forget those. And last but not least, and I get to have some of this, we have candy. I got these peanut butter ones that taste a lot like Reese's Pieces. And I got these fudge hearts. I'm excited to eat that too. I don't like them getting sugar rushes, but you know. And I got some cards just to show them how much I love them as well. And magic towels. So I'm going to just take all of these apart, put one of each and where it belongs. And I think I'm gonna keep it simple. I just wanna show my family that I love them and not break my bank doing it. I know we don't all have it. This pandemic has been going way too long. So let's just keep it simple. I think anything little is better than nothing at all. And let's keep that in mind for 2022. Without further ado, let's fill these bags. Okay, so I did not know these are only stickers. So what I did was that I wrote a little message in the back of my stepson's card, and it says, "You're my favorite big boy ever." And I'm gonna take the sticker, and that's not how that's intended on. Aha, I got it. There you go. And now I'm putting it over the message. And we have a little scratch card in the back of the card. Alright, I just did the same with the other card. What I do is that I put this and I traced it with a pen so the imprint could stay in there and I could see what the dimensions were so I don't get out of the card. So now you see it over here, the message is in the heart, and now I'm going to put the sticker on. And now I made a scratch ticket instead of a card. And the card costed me for $1.25. Now for my stepson's bag, I didn't buy a lot of things because he's getting in that age, he's already 8 years old, he's getting that age that he's too cool for things. But you know what? Kids are never too cool for money. So I'm gonna put these in here and he's gonna be pleasantly surprised that he got a card. I'm sure when he gets the card, he'll be like, a card? Really? But it's not just any card. It's a card with money. Again, I'm in a budget, so I only put $5, but still, it's money. He can get himself all the candy in the world with $5. There you go. And you know, we still have like 2 or 3 weeks for Valentine's Day, so you know, you can always just add or subtract as you wish, you know? Well, mostly add. Last but not least, I decided to add some tissue paper so it can add to the floof and make it look even better and more expensive. I'm gonna go like this so it's easy to put in. If you try to stuff it otherwise with your hand like this, it's more likely to break. So that's why I like making the little piquito like that. Like that. And then you put it in. And yeah, the baby doesn't have any candy because, you know, she's 1. But I made up for it, so don't worry. Besides, she gets like fruit smoothies like almost every day, so she's happy. But anyways. Alright, so this is how you can make an easy, on budget, nice little bags for your family, friends, kids, whoever. Well, kids are family, but you know what I mean. If you like this video, please like down below and please comment, what are your Valentine's Day plans? I'm curious. I don't want to brag, but I have a dentist appointment. So guys, enjoy, have a great day, bye. Oh, don't forget to subscribe.